to the channel and welcome to a very pretty sunset on this Saturday morning. Sunrise, actually, I'm getting it wrong. So this morning we are heading out on a Petrol Union drive. Petrol Union is a car group that I'm part of, and we're actually heading down, it's a bit of a convoy, and we're heading down to Dowsett Classic Cars. So it's going to be mega, it always is. There's a huge variety of cars, supercars, normal cars. So yeah, short and sweet this morning because I'm running a little bit late as per usual. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Could not ask for better weather. So yeah, hope you enjoy, guys, and lots of footage to come.
I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual, I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America, I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel, I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me, supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Yo, shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break, I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite of that life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams. Wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO. Tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave.
to the classic car place. Some ridiculous cars here, it's absolutely unreal. We've had an amazing convoy down, and yeah, it's been epic. I'll show you some of the cars and hopefully get you a load of cinematic B-roll, so enjoy. So back home now. I've had literally the most incredible day. It has been so much fun. It's been the first proper organised meet that I've taken part in since, oh, I want to say like summer last year. It's been a long time coming. Massive thank you to Petrol Union, Car Collective and Dowsett Classic Cars for hosting such an incredible meet. So lovely to meet some more of the members today. And I mean, one thing I would say is, like, the group of people in this Petrol Union club they're just incredible people. Like, just so nice. There's such a range of cars. You know, we've got everything from kind of all price ranges, and it's just so nice that you know, there's no like ego, no snobbery, no like kind of weird atmosphere. Everybody is there because they love cars, and we're there to have a good time. And it's been so nice speaking to people. Like I said, I think after COVID and everything, it's been a long time coming, and I needed it, to be honest. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, had literally the best day. So yeah, massive shout out to those guys. I've obviously captured a lot of their cars. I'll make sure I leave some Instagram links in the bio, in the description, sorry. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Please do subscribe, turn on post notifications. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Lots more to come. You know, we're only in like February now, so plenty more shows to come. We've still got the summer. And if you like this type of content, let me know. I'll happily film more. Equally, if it's not something you want to see, let me know too. Maybe I'll film less of it. But yeah, just massive thank you for all the support. Wicked day out. And yeah, looking forward to the next one. See you soon, guys.